Morning, friends. Today we have a problem solving session on units and dimensions. So it's like I will go through like one by one problem. So here we have the first problem. Here it is given as alpha by t square is equal to f into v plus beta by x square. Find the dimensional formula of alpha and beta, where t is the time, f is the force, v is the velocity, and x is the distance. So this is the thing which is given. And now you can see the solution here. So I want to tell you one thing prior to this. Uh, that is about something about the product of force and velocity. The product of what you had to remember here is a very good point. The product of force and velocity gives power. So this is the idea I want you to remember. How do we get this? So on a simple analysis, you can do this. Power is nothing but work done by time. Work done divided by time. And work done is nothing but the dot product of force and displacement. So divided by time. Like this one can think of. So but the displacement divided by time is nothing but the velocity. So under that conditions, you can write f bar dot v bar. Okay. So this is how we get. So but in the this what is given is the scalar mode for us. So the power in the scalar form. Of course, the power itself is a scalar. In the scalar form, the vectors, if you write, that means the force and velocity, they have the same direction. You can say it is simply the product of force and velocity. So this is when the f bar and v bar are f bar and v bar are in same direction. Okay, same direction. Under these conditions, you can write its power is force into velocity. So based on this concept, we are going to solve the question. So here you go. What you have is this is the dimensions of power, right? So if this quantity happens to be, so let us say this quantity happens to be like power, f into v is power, then beta by x square should also be power, because the power can be added with only power. Like quantities can only be added, and alpha by t square should be also power. So the alpha by t square will have the same dimensions of power. Okay, dimensions of power. Of course, we have the other quantity which is beta by x square, that is also having the same dimensions of power. Beta by x square has got the same dimensions of power. Okay, same dimensions of power. Okay, dimension of power. So based on this idea, this question is being solved. So you can see that f into v m l square t power minus 3, that is the dimensions of power over here. And beta should have beta by x square, that is the idea here. Beta by x square should have the same dimensions of power. So beta by x square, x is nothing but a length parameter. So that will substitute the L over here. So the beta is, so here we have to multiply. So in order to find beta, this quantity, this entire quantity is multiplied by L square to get the beta. Okay. So the dimensions of beta. That's how you find the value of beta, right? And now f plus beta by x square, and on the other side, on the left hand side, it should have the same dimensions. So alpha by t square should have the same dimensions of this one. So alpha should have the same dimensions of the power. So if you multiply to find dimensions of alpha, you have to multiply power with the square of time. Okay, power with the square of time, time square. So because t square is given, square of time So that could be the dimensions of alpha. So based on which this question is solved. So you can see over here, you can see over here, this is how this is solved. So alpha happens to be m L square T power minus 1. So that's the question. That's it. The question. Okay, we'll meet with another question in the next video. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. And myself, CB Sharma, and all of you welcome for the physics then. And if you like the video, give, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. Don't forget to give a like. Thank you all.